Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to code in the M performance logo or the M135i, M140i, M340i, M440i, M3, M4 logo on your 6WA cluster. Now you can only do this if you have the extended instrument cluster on your BMW F Series. If you don't have it, you will not be able to do this, and you must be on the latest eye-level updates as well on your F Series. If you're not, you will only have the M Performance logo when you actually unlock the car. You will not have the logos that sit on the right side of the dash, and also the M, whatever your car is, 135i, 235i logo when you unlock the car in the instrument cluster. Please remember, you can only do this on the 6WA cluster, and this does not relate to any of the other clusters, as this will not work. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to show you how to code that in using BimmerCode. As I said, this is a tool that many people have, and therefore that's why I'm going to show you how to do it with that tool. And again, I'll be showing you how to do that on the membership with eSystem also. So let's get on to the video.
What? Goddamn, get it done, will ya? Woo. When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
Okay guys, so as you'll see here, we've now got BimmerCode loaded. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is connect to the app and make sure, obviously, your dongle, which can be many different kinds, there's no point in telling you a specific one, is connected to your car. Then what you're going to want to go ahead and do is click connect, and then you'll see it pop up right here. You just want to select your chassis. Now, as I said to you, you want to make sure you have the extended instrument cluster in order to be able to code these features in. So just make sure you do have that. Now, coding the performance logos, you will need to have the extended instrument cluster. Just be aware of that. This will not work on your normal regular cluster. So mine is an F20, so I am going to click F20 and click continue. Then what it will do here is read the VIN, read the vehicle order, and then show everything up here once it identifies all the control units. Now once it obviously loads up, you'll have all your control units here. The one we're going to be targeting today is going to be the instrument cluster. So we're going to click onto this one, and then what we're going to do is it's going to check the coding data and then read the coding data. This is the main one that you're going to need to code in the M Performance logo or the M logo on the right side of your combi, and this is where you'll come in to actually activate that. Now, as I said, if you do only have the M Performance logo on your dash, that is not going to be a coding issue, because when you update the eye level, it will automatically flip it to the M135i logo on the instrument cluster from the update. So if you are still showing M Performance logo, it means you're on the wrong eye level. So you will not be able to do this. You need to update all your car first of all. Now we're going to go into start logo. Now the start logo is the one when you unlock the car. This will be the one that always shows. Usually most of you will see M Performance logo, but as you can see here, you can pick all the different ones. Now you can have M Performance, which you'll see there, but I don't want to have the M Performance logo. I've got it set as 135i, so when I unlock the car, it shows M135i. Now this can be changed on these settings very easily based on what car you actually have. This is how you would actually change it. You just go into combi, pick the car specific for your car. Now you should know which one you actually have. You can't get it mixed up, and then you'll be able to code it in. Now obviously, if you retrofit the 6WA cluster into your car, you will be able to do this also. So you'll be able to put these performance logos if you retrofit the cluster also as well. But these are the ones that I've got set, and it's all based on you which one you want to have set. You can choose between M Performance, or you can choose between your make and model of car, which I've got 135i, but it's all down to you. So these are the only settings you'll have to come to, and once you've actually changed them, you just go in, pick which ones you want to do, and then what you'll do is click code up the top right here. You'll just code, and it will code it to the instrument cluster, and you will have them logos showing on your 6WA extended instrument cluster. Very easy to do, especially with BimmerCode. So I hope this is going to show you now how to actually code in the performance logos on your BMW F series, and now you get a drift of what ones it can be coded to and which ones it can't be coded to. Okay guys, so as you see now, I've now shown you how to code in the M Performance logo for your car, the startup one and the one that sits on the right side of your instrument cluster. Now, as I said to you, this can only be done if you're on the latest eye-level update. Now, the easiest way to tell this is if you get in your M135i, whatever car it is you've got, and you've only got the M Performance logo, but you have the actual extended instrument cluster, you need to be on the latest eye-level update to get that. There's going to be a lot of people messaging on this video asking why they can't have it and why they've got the M Performance logo. Get your car updated, you'll be able to have all them functions successfully. Now, BimmerCode can easily code that in for you, or you can use Carly to do that also. Carly does let you code in the performance logos onto your instrument cluster on the F series. So you can use one or the other. As I said, there's many different adapters out there that will do it. The only reason that will be stopping you to do that and you'll have the normal M Performance logo is purely because of the eye level update. So I hope this video is going to help a lot of you guys be able to code this in now, because I know a lot of people look up how to do this. Thank you very much for watching this. BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.